Okay, we're back at it here. We got a Jeep Compass Sport. Changing some control arms. I already did this side. Here's the old one at 18 millimeter both sides. Take this off, and then down inside of there we got an 18 millimeter bolt on the left hand side that needs to come out right there, and the nut is welded on the other side. So I'm not using anything special here, just spray some Croil on there. I got an 18 millimeter box end wrench, 18 millimeter ratcheting wrench, and a 19 millimeter. This is just for snipe. Yeah, let's go give it a shot here. There's the new one. There's the old one. Put that on there. Put that on there. All right, let's see what we can do here, fellas. Okay, and that's out. Just by hand there. So some other videos that I watched showed using some special sockets and stuff here. I don't have, so I just do with what I got, and that is some Mastercraft wrenches. And I'm in Canada, so we do have salt in the winter on the roads. Let's see if we can get this wrench on there. Okay, so wrench is on there. We're gonna use our snipe. How can we do that? Just do it like that. Nothing special here, guys. Break my hand, so that's okay. Okay, now that we got it loose with the box end, it's an angle. Oh. Now that we got it loose, the angle in there. Now I figure I can probably use my ratcheting wrench in there and not strip anything. So we got our ratcheting wrench on there. Here's our snipe, just like that. Down. Oh yeah, anyway, just to cut the video short here, just take that bolt out and do it all in reverse. Just slam this one back in, 2 bolts, easy.